The kidneys are vital organs that filter toxins, balance fluids, and regulate essential functions in the body. Unfortunately, kidney issues are becoming increasingly common, with over 37 million adults in the United States affected by chronic kidney disease, CKD. While medications and medical procedures like dialysis can help manage kidney damage, many people overlook the power of a well-structured diet in supporting kidney health and slowing the progression of kidney disease. A kidney-friendly diet can reduce stress on the kidneys, promote detoxification, and even support natural repair in some cases. In this video, we'll share a simple diet plan that can help repair your kidneys naturally, improve your overall health, and potentially delay or prevent more invasive treatments. One of the most important aspects of a kidney-friendly diet is hydration. Water is essential for flushing toxins and maintaining optimal kidney function. However, overhydration can strain your kidneys, especially if you're in advanced kidney disease stages. Drinking the right amount of water based on your condition and recommendations from a healthcare provider is crucial. Including hydrating foods like cucumbers, celery, and watermelon can further support your kidney health while adding essential nutrients. Quick reminder, if you're enjoying the content, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and drop a comment below. Low-sodium foods are a cornerstone of any kidney-friendly diet. Excess sodium increases blood pressure, which damages the delicate blood vessels in the kidneys and accelerates chronic kidney disease progression. Avoid processed foods like canned soups, frozen meals, and salty snacks, and replace them with fresh, whole ingredients. Use herbs and spices like turmeric, basil, and garlic to add flavor without adding salt. This approach not only protects your kidneys, but also supports overall heart health, reducing the risk of complications. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are nutrient powerhouses that support kidney health. These greens are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants that reduce inflammation in the kidneys. However, those with advanced CKD or high potassium levels may need to limit certain greens, so it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider or nutritionist to tailor your diet. Adding leafy greens to salads, smoothies, or soups can provide lasting benefits for your kidneys. For protein, focus on plant-based sources such as lentils, chickpeas, and tofu. While protein is essential for overall health, excessive amounts, particularly from animal sources, can overwork your kidneys and exacerbate conditions like proteinuria. Plant-based proteins are easier on the kidneys and contain fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar and insulin levels. Reducing reliance on red meat and replacing it with these alternatives is a critical step in managing chronic kidney disease. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and cranberries are excellent choices for a kidney-friendly diet. They are low in potassium and phosphorus, making them safe for most CKD patients. Berries are also rich in antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and protect kidney cells from damage. Cranberries, in particular, can help prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, which are a common cause of kidney complications. Adding berries to your breakfast or as a snack provides a delicious and nutritious way to support your kidneys. Probiotics are another essential component of a kidney-healing diet. A healthy gut microbiome reduces the production of uremic toxins, which the kidneys would otherwise need to filter out. Foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut are rich in probiotics and can help maintain gut and kidney health. For those unable to consume these foods, high-quality probiotic supplements can be just as effective in reducing toxin buildup and supporting kidney function. Including healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, olive oil, and nuts, is another key strategy. These fats are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties that help protect the kidneys from further damage. Omega-3s also support heart health, which is closely linked to kidney function. Incorporating these healthy fats into your meals can reduce inflammation and improve your overall health. Low-potassium fruits such as apples, pears, and grapes are ideal for those managing chronic kidney disease. High potassium levels can be dangerous for individuals with impaired kidney function, so choosing low-potassium options is important. These fruits are also rich in fiber, which aids in detoxification and improves gut health, reducing the strain on your kidneys. Snacking on low-potassium fruits or adding them to your meals provides an easy way to maintain balance in your diet. Whole grains such as quinoa, oats, and barley are another excellent addition to a kidney-friendly diet. Whole grains provide essential vitamins, fiber, and energy without overloading the kidneys. They also help regulate blood sugar, making them particularly beneficial for those managing diabetes, a leading cause of kidney disease. Replacing refined grains with whole grains in your meals helps stabilize energy levels and reduces the risk of further kidney damage. Finally, certain herbal teas, such as dandelion tea or nettle tea, are beneficial for a gentle kidney cleanse. These teas support detoxification by promoting urine production and reducing inflammation. While not a substitute for medical kidney disease treatment, herbal teas can complement a balanced diet and provide additional support for your kidneys. Be sure to consult a healthcare provider to ensure these teas are safe for your specific condition. This simple diet plan not only supports natural kidney repair, but also helps manage related conditions like diabetes and hypertension, which are common contributors to chronic kidney disease. Pairing this diet with regular kidney function tests ensures you're tracking your progress and making adjustments as needed. In some cases, early-stage kidney failure treatment without dialysis is possible with proper diet and lifestyle changes. In addition to these dietary strategies, incorporating targeted supplements such as omega-3s, vitamin D, and probiotics can further enhance your kidney's ability to heal and function. These supplements provide essential nutrients and reduce inflammation, making them an excellent complement to a kidney-friendly diet. Let's summarize it. This simple diet plan focuses on hydrating properly, reducing sodium, emphasizing plant-based proteins, incorporating kidney-friendly fruits and vegetables, and including probiotics, healthy fats, and whole grains. These foods not only protect and repair your kidneys, but also improve your overall health by reducing inflammation, stabilizing blood sugar, and supporting heart health. Are you giving your kidneys the care they deserve, or are your eating habits unknowingly contributing to damage? Start making these dietary changes today to protect your kidney health and enjoy a healthier, more balanced life. And now, keep watching for more health tips.